Welcome back. Today in this class we are going to discuss about two-dimensional array in Java. So arrays, all of you know what is an array, isn't it? So arrays in Java are of two types, that is one-dimensional array and two-dimensional array. So all of you know about one-dimensional array or single-dimensional array. That is, this is an example for one-dimensional array. Here the name of the array is A. So here there are a total of 5 elements are there. So here the elements are arranged in row wise, only one row. So in one dimensional array we can arrange the elements either in row wise or in column wise. That's according to the user's wish. So the size of this array is 5. Okay. Similarly, two dimensional array. So what is two dimensional array? That is an array with a row and a column value. An array with a multiple row and a column value. That type of array is known as two-dimensional array or multi-dimensional array. So this is an example for multi-dimensional array. Here you can see that there are a total of 5 rows are there. Here also similar to single-dimensional array, the index value starts from row. The first row's index value is 0. Second row is 1, like that it goes on. Okay. And also for column, the index value starts from 0. So this is row elements, this is column elements. So how many rows are there? So the size of this 2D array is 5. That is, first we are giving the row value. So how many rows are there? 5 rows. Then how many columns are there? A total of 5. So 5 into, usually it is denoted by 5 into 5. So when a particular person asking you what is the size of this 2D array, you can simply say it is a 5 into 5 array. That is row into column size. So by knowing this, we can easily say what is the total number of elements this particular array holds. That is a 5 into 5 array holds a total of 25 elements. So the first element here, we can store the first element in this position, isn't it? So this position, this cell is a combination of row and column. That is, the first element is at the position 0, 0. So the second element, the row, is at position 0, 1. Like that, the element in this position is 1, 0. Okay, you can see, you can easily tell it by the seeing the row and column number. So 2D array is an array that have multiple rows and columns in it. An array that have row and column value. That type of array is known as two-dimensional array. So let's see how to declare a two-dimensional array. So this is the syntax of declaring a two-dimensional array. That is data type, array name. That is, here there are two square brackets. A set of two square brackets are there, equal to new data type of, first we are giving the row size, then column size. So both of them are given in square brackets. After that, a semicolon. So this is the syntax of declaring a two-dimensional array. So in normally in single-dimensional array, how we will specify it is a single-dimensional array? By seeing the square brackets after the variable name. You can say that that is an array. So you can easily say that whether the particular array is a single-dimensional array or two-dimensional. So which type of array is this? Since the array name, after the array name, there are two set of square brackets are there. So you can easily say that it is a two-dimensional array. The first one for row and second one for column value. So this example, int a equal. So you can put this. So only by putting these two things, set of square brackets, it will become an two-dimensional array. Int a equal new int of row size, column size. So what is the size of this row? 5. Column size is 5. So a total of, so what is the size of this array? 5 into 5 array. It is a 5 into 5 array. Suppose the row value is 5 and the column value is 6. Then how can we say the size of this array? That is, it's a 5 into 6 array. So a total of 30 elements hold that particular array. Okay. So let's see how we can store values to a 2D array in a Java program. So As you all know, when we are declaring a single dimensional array, so in order to read and print the array contents, we require a for loop. So since here in two dimensional array we have row and column value. So for reading the row content and column content, we require two set of for loops. A set of for loops. Okay, one for row and second for column. Okay, so here I is for row and second one is for column. J loop is for column. Okay, then how we will read the contents to the array, that is A of ij, that holds the array element in each array locations. So this is about two-dimensional array. Let's see it with a simple example. Here we can see a Java program to store the array elements in a two-dimensional array and to print the elements in that particular 2D array. So we can store the elements by using that is, we can read the contents in the array by using scanner class. So we are using the package import java.util.scanner, and after that class 2D array, then opening of class, then main method, and after that open the main method, then declare the scanner statement. Scanner is equal new scanner of system.in. Then declare our array. That is, since I am declaring an integer array and the name of the array is A, so after the variable array name, give this square brackets, one for row and one for column, equal to new int of, give the size also. So you can give the size according to your wish. So here we are giving the row size as 5 and column size are 5. So a total of 25 elements we are going to store in this array. So next one is a message input array elements. So a printing message over here, system.out.println, enter the array elements. So now we are going to store the elements to the array. So we require a for loop, that is for reading the row content, that is for int I equals 0, I less than 5. Okay, next one, open it. Then after that, next j loop, this is for column value, for int j equals 0, j less than 5, j plus plus. Open it. So in which location? So after reading the first row and first column, we are reading the content to the first row and a column value 0 0, a of ij equal sc dot nested. So whatever value we are giving first, that is stored to the location a of 0 0. So this loop will goes on until the condition violates, that is entire elements will be read to that particular array. So that is up to 25 elements we can store to this array. Okay, so we have read the contents to the array. Next one is printing of array, printing array elements. Again we have printing message, system.out.println, the 2D arrays. So as you all know, for reading and writing we require for loop, isn't it? So here also we require a for loop for printing the array contents, that is for I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Open the for loop, then for j equals 0, j less than 5, j plus plus. Open it, then give the printing statement, system.out.print. Okay, so in 2D array you can see that we are filling the array elements like this. First we are filling the array to this entire row. Okay, and this column value, that is 0th row and the column value will varies. So the elements will be in the same line. So here we are giving like this, system.out.print of a of ij. First we will print the first element, and after that give a space, plus double quotes, give a space, and after that give double quotes. That space is for separating the elements in the first row. So after reading the entire row elements, next what happens? We will go to the second row. So we will come to the system dot, so we will go to the next line. So next we will read the second row's elements, then close the. So you people know all these things, isn't it? Okay, so do dry run for this program. It's very easy. And after that, close the for loop, close the main, and there is one more closing statement, sorry, here closing of I, closing of j, then close the main, close the class. So this is a program. So those who have system in your home, do this program, you will get the corresponding output. So let's see the output of this program. So this is the output. First the message will come, enter the array elements. Here I didn't write this, enter the array elements. So we are entered 5 5 5, then 6 6 6. So you can give any elements according to your wish. So then 7 7 7, 8 8 8, then 9 9. So a total of 25 elements. So after that the output will be like this. So you can see that the first row all 5s are printed. So for your understanding I have given like this. So in the second row 6. So this is about 2-dimensional array. So students, I hope you get a clear idea of 2D array. So go through this program, do dry run for this program, and so while writing the program you should write the comments and data description. So whatever variables you declared in that particular program, that should be declared in the variable description section. Okay. Okay, thank you.